Isang matatag at matibay na puno, ganyan kung ilalarawan ang United Network of Opportunities International in the world of multi-level marketing business. Ang Unlimited Network of Opportunities o mas kilala sa tawag na UNO ay 8 taon nang nagbibigay ng magagandang oportunidad sa ating mga Kapinoy na umasenso ang kanilang buhay. Hindi lamang sa usaping pinansyal, kundi pati na rin sa usaping pangkalusugan. Marami na nga ang natulungan ng UNO at wala nang makapipigil pa sa patuloy na paglakas at paglago nito. In fact, UNO will try to break the ground anew as they launch the newest and classiest high-end brand and exclusive business club in the country, the UNO Premier.
UNO Premier is really actually designed for the A and B market. The income with UNO Premier is a lot easier, it's a lot faster, and the resistance is very minimum. It's actually designed for anybody that would like to participate.
Ang naturang pagdiriwang ay dinaluhan ng mga business partners ng UNO na may kani-kanyang negosyo. Ngunit nakita ang mas malaki pang potensyal na mapa-level up ang kanilang tagumpay sa buhay sa tulong ng UNO Premier.
UNO Premier is a high-end company to cater for AB market. And ang nakita ko lang dito yung connections with the business owners din, pati mga ibang businessman. And since maganda yung company, so there's no doubt na hindi siya magsasucceed.
Nasa corporate world na ako, no? So my earnings are okay. Yun nga lang, when UNO Premier was introduced to me, I see the potential. It's a very stable company and nakita ko fit sa market ko. I see it na yung may passive income, extraordinary income na hindi mo kayang kitain dun lang sa trabaho mo.
Ang tinitingnan ko dito yung pang-international kasi right now it's really growing wildfire. Pag-launch ng UNO Premier kasi, ang ginagawa ko dito yung pag-launch at paglaki ng market international. So, yun yung paglaki ng yung opportunity na pwede namin look forward kasi yung potential maximum income na ginagawa namin ngayon, pwede pang lumaki lalo.
Binigyan din ng pagkilala sa pagdiriwang ang mga top directors, top executives, and top earners ng taon. Ngunit ang pinakaabangan ng lahat ay ang masilayan sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang dekalidad at eksklusibong produkto na i-offer ng UNO Premier. UNO has grown bigger and better. And now, it has more than 500,000 business partners all over the world. Here's how you can join and be successful in the networking industry.
We'd like to invite you viewers to come and visit UNO Premier and see what we're all about. We have business previews every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So come and take a look and find out what it's all about. And I promise you, you're going to love what you have to see. And we'll see you at the top.
Kudos to UNO Premier, where we find unlimited network of opportunities.